Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change mouse cursor on Windows 11. So let's get right into it. Let's start by opening the Settings app. You can do this through the Start menu or by using the keyboard shortcut by pressing Windows key together with I. In the Settings menu, click on Accessibility on the left panel. Then choose mouse pointer and touch from the options that appear. Here you will find the cursor customization section. The mouse pointer style offers 4 styles: the default white cursor, a bold black cursor, an inverted color scheme for high visibility, and a custom colored pointer where you can choose from recommended colors, or for a different color, click on Choose Another Color and click on the color swatches to pick one of your choice. I will stick to the default white for now, and if you want a larger pointer, simply adjust the slider under Change Pointer Size. But what if you want a completely new cursor design? Windows 11 has got you covered. For more cursor styles, navigate back to the main settings menu and select Personalization. Then click on Themes. From there, go to Mouse Cursor to open the classic Mouse Properties window. In the Mouse Properties window, you will be in the Pointers tab. Here, Normal Select is already highlighted, so click on Browse to view the list of cursor styles available. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll pick one. After finding the cursor of your choice, hit Open, then Apply and OK to confirm your new selection. And just like that, you can give your mouse cursor a whole new look right from Windows 11's own settings. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Catch you in the next video. Take care.